In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound issue in your Steam games quickly, clearly, and completely. If your game launches but you're met with total silence, don't worry. By the end of this guide, your sound should be back and working perfectly. Let's get started. First, open up your Steam application. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your account name and password. Once you're on your Steam homepage, head over to your library and find the game that's giving you sound trouble. Right-click on the game title and select Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for Installed Files on the left panel. Here, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all your game files to make sure none are missing or corrupted. Sometimes a single broken or outdated file can cause sound issues, so this simple scan can often fix the problem automatically. Once that's done, try launching your game again to see if the audio is back. If it's still silent, don't worry. There's another step that usually does the trick. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Find Steam in the list of running processes, right-click it, and choose End Task. This will close Steam completely. Next, go to your Windows search bar, type Steam, and when the app appears, right-click it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Steam icon again and choose Properties. Now, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says, Run this program as an administrator. Running Steam as an administrator ensures it has full permission to access your system's audio devices. And this often resolves sound-related conflicts. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Finally, reopen Steam and launch your game again. At this point, your sound should be back and working like normal. If it's still not, try restarting your PC. Sometimes a fresh reboot helps reset your audio drivers and finishes the fix. And that's it. You've now gone through the complete 2025 method to fix no sound in Steam games. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.